You can what? Cool.
Whoa.
Show me.
Okay.
I gotta get in.
Whoa.
Show me now.
Show you what?
Now.
Show you what I'm videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, do it one more time for me.
Okay.
Okay? Hey, what are you riding on first?
Scooter.
Look over here and tell me. What are you riding?
Scooter.
Scooter? Okay, how old are you? How old? You're 2?
Yeah.
Whoa, what's your name?
Hello.
And, hold on, how, you're a boy?
Yeah.
Okay, how old is mommy?
29.
How old's daddy?
29.
What's my other name?
Minnie.
What's daddy's other name?
Dad.
Seth? Wow, you're a good scooter rider and you know all that stuff? Ooh, I like that move. Nice. You what?
Let me do it like that.
I do like it when you do it like that.
You try it. You try it.
You want me to try it?
Yeah.
I'm afraid I'm too big.
Try it. I think you do it.